So as you see from the title, today's video is going to be how to make this super cute t-shirt. Okay, I made this for my mother-in-law's 60th birthday. So I kind of paired it up with some heels and some earrings and dressed it up a bit. So this is just a quick video to show you how to do that. And also, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Let's get to it. First, you will need an oversized shirt. You want to trace the shirt out in the shape of your favorite dress. Make sure you leave a 2-inch seam allowance. After you're done, the shirt should be a little bigger than the dress you traced. Now it's time to cut out your neckline. Then cut out your shoulder seam. Now you want to pin the side of your shirt for sewing. You can either use a sewing machine or a needle and thread. Sew a pleat into the shoulder seam. Mark out where you want the cutouts and use an X-Acto blade to cut those out. For best results, take your shirt outside and do your bleaching outside. Use pure bleach to bleach your shirt. Spray the desired design that you want. The sky's the limit. Front and back. Let the shirt sit in the sun to absorb the sun. Then take your shirt inside and wash it. For your design, you can either use your craft cutter, an iron-on design, or any pre-made transfer that you have. For the mask, you want to repeat the same steps that you did the shirt. Bleach your desired design and then take it outside and let it absorb the sun. You can put any design that you want on this, as long as you have heat-resistant paper, an easy press, or a heat press, you're good. You want to do the same thing with your mask. You just press your mask, same temperature you would the t-shirt, and there you go.